वह तलवार पुरानी थी, खुद लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. As a youth of this nation, a country. Good morning, everybody. Dear students, respected officials, and my colleagues. First of all, I would like to thank the administration for giving me this opportunity to speak on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. As we all know, this day is today, the day of independence. And we all are gathered here to celebrate our 79 years of independence. A day that fills every Indian's heart with gratitude and pride. On this day, in 1947, our nation broke free from the chain of British colonial rule and took its first breath as an independent country. Many of our leaders, freedom fighters, sacrificed their life to secure this nation and free this country. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, with his path of non-violence, we all know what non-violence is. With the path of his non-violence, inspired not hundreds, not thousands, but millions of the people till now. The leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, and of course Rani Lakshmibai. I remember a poem that I heard in my childhood. बुंदेले हटकोलों से हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Fought fearlessly for our nation to free this country. But the question is, how the British started ruling this country? To take the answer of this question, we will have to go in 1608 AD. 1608 is 1608 AD. William Hawkins arrived in Surat, Gujarat in India with a ship called Hector. Hector नाम के जहाज के साथ वो भारत आए, which is belonged to the British East India Company. At that time, the emperor of India was Mughal Emperor Jahangir, whose capital used to be Agra. उस वक्त राजधानी आगरा हुआ करती थी. And then we all know how the British started spending slowly their influence. They looking our country. They started looking our country with their greedy eyes. Those people had come to do business, and after that they established their foothold in the trade of India. After the death of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, the Mughal rule started weakening completely, and then British started making their puppet rulers. राजा तो अपना होता था, फैसले अंग्रेजों के होने लगे. Puppet rulers. And later they established their own rules over the country, India. Slowly all over the India. deeply. India, our nation, began freedom due to the great sacrifice, struggles, courage of countless our freedom fighters. Past 78 years, no doubt, there's no doubt our country, India, made remarkable progress in the field of science, technology, agriculture, education, and space exploration. We have achieved a milestone that make feel us proud as an Indian. But along with pride comes responsibility. As a youth of this nation, it is a duty to contribute the growth of this country, protect its unity, and uphold the values of democracy. India is a democratic country. Let's take a place today that we be a good citizen of this country and working hard working hard for this country, for its progress. That type of determination we need to grow, to uphold this country. Let's take the place today, because today is the day of independence, a festival of every Indian citizen, the national festival. Together, we can make our country brighter, stronger for the future generation. With this word, I would like to bring my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.